Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, Athletics 2015 World Sprint Hurdles champion Danielle Williams says she is ready to redeem herself from the 2016 disappointment of missing out on the Olympic Games, starting with Saturday's 14th staging of the Jamaica International Invitational. And the American sprinters say they are here to entertain.
24-year-old Danielle Williams announced herself to the world at the 2015 IAAF World Championships in Beijing, China. But she has had to wait to prove her victory was no fluke after failing to finish at the national trials last year when she hit the hurdles on her way to victory and subsequently missed out on the Olympic Games. She runs her second 100-meter hurdles race on Saturday, having run 12.78 seconds in the USA last month. She explains she has been working on the areas which hampered her last year.
How I run on the flats, I have really long strides, and for speed for me is open up my strides, and in hurdles you really can't do that. So, which was part of the reason why I fell at trials last year, was because I wasn't shortening up my strides and staying compact. So I've really been working on staying compact. It's super hard to do because of how I run, but I've definitely been working on that, and so I'm going in the race tomorrow to try and execute the starts as well as staying compact.
Another young Jamaican female, 26-year-old Natoya Gould, will lead the country's charge in the 800 meters. She has a season's best of 2 minutes flat and 75 seconds.
And I think this is going to be probably one of my best one because I'm looking forward for a season best, also a PR, so I'm hoping that everything goes well tomorrow, so I'll be able to do that, and you know, even to become victorious is a great feel out there.
Top American sprinter Mike Rogers will contend with a clutch of Jamaican sprinters, including Johan Blake and Kamar Bailey-Cole in the men's 100 meters. He's coming off a season's best 10.08 in Guadeloupe on Wednesday and is looking to go even faster.
Just looking for a faster time, a much cleaner race. Knocked off a lot of rest last race, so coming here, I know it's going to be a lot of competition, so can't make that many mistakes, and hopefully I'll go sub 10 on Saturday.
Jenna Prandini is also coming off a season's best 11.18 in Guadeloupe and says she's ready to tango with the best on Saturday, including fellow American Allyson Felix and Jamaica's Gayon Evans.
The ultimate goal is to get a PR, but right now I'm just looking to lower my time every chance I get. So anything 10, 11-0, but you know, I'm looking to go fast. So if I can just get out there and execute, I'll be happy with what I do.
And in the field, 2014 Commonwealth Games bronze medalist Jason Morgan says he has tweaked his approach to training and is ready to kickstart his 2017 season after a modest 55.74 meters so far.
Well, I've made some changes, as in I gave my body some rest and, you know, be able to really search through with my technique what I need to get right and what I need to get fixed in certain areas, and that been going well.
Live coverage of the meet can be seen on TVJ and onespotmedia.com, and live commentary as well on Hits 92 FM. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.